is, a Harley Quinn's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. No one gives two shits who we are beyond that. The Joker and I broke up. I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Spectacular news! Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
Who are you guys?
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me!
He's after all of us now. None of us are walking out of here unless we work together.
Will you? You gotta be kidding me.
Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Big Cosmos. Harley, focus. Okay. I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you. Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies. Psycho chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion, bitch. Bitch? What are you talking about? That for me, will you? I'm so fucking over clowns. Ladies, if you want boys to respect you, you have to show them that you're serious. Blow something up. Hit someone. Nothing gets a guy's attention like violence.
Oh, I love this chick. She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues!
Oh God, stop. That is childhood trauma right there. Unless we all want to die. We're gonna have to work together. Hi, boys. I'm a boss. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a shine like glass. That felt pretty great. I'm a bitch.
Are we ready? Sure. It's time for Gotham to meet the birds of prey.
I own Gotham.
He's building an army. Unless we all want to die, we're gonna have to work together. Hi, boys.
I thought she was just a pretty face.
Nothing gets a guy's attention like violence. Yes! Toss that for me, will you?